wonderful people. Welcome. Hopefully, the background noise will not disturb. So I greet you, my people. Good evening, good evening. Calamity don't join calamity. Calamity don't join calamity. Oh. Body don't tell them. Ndoshi. Yeah. Kudos. Kudos to the gallant men of the Nigerian army. 82 deep. Kudos to the GOC and all the brigade commanders under his command. We salute them for the wonderful operation. Ogami Adamuye, I greet you, sir. To cover this. Kudos to the army. They don't show them say yes. Na person get that farm where they go they harvest wetin they no plant. Yeah, my people, please, army would they beg on? I know they cover any face like this. I don't know whose interest is being protected by covering their face. Even this small blood their face, we know they appreciate our beg. Make them they show their full face, make shame they catch them. All this way they talk modern day police in there, and it's a lie. Let Oyibo people do their own as they want. Now them know how they take do their own for their side. We know how we do our own. You understand? We know how they do our own. Let them do their own the way they want. If they like, let them not show their face. Our own, we go show the face. Once again, it takes community policing to keep the society safe. Nobody gets intel past public. You see, as this page dey, the intel wey this page dey gather every day, e pass wetin all the police stations wey dey southeast dey gather. Because people, when they see all these kind things, e dey easy for them to reach out, and they trust ordinary civilians better than law enforcement, especially when they know that you are going to protect their own identity. So when I see this one wey they call calamity don't meet am. Hand don't touch am. Once again, remember what I told you people while we were in Osun? I told you, deny them their operational base first is the most important thing you can do in any operation. Deny them an operational base, then they will scatter. Once they scatter, it will be easy to pick them like snails. It will be very easy to pick them. Then we just use police work to pick the rest. Now, Mother Valley no dey for them again now, so no safe haven. As Mother Valley no dey for them again, they will have to move to other places, and no community wan make dem come there. This one sooner for easy they go arrest am. Na for easy and you know say many of all these boys wey dem gather keep for all these places, for Osun LGA, Iyala LGA, Orumba North, Orumba South, and many places, na from Ebonyi State. Now the only safe place wey go dey for them na Abia State, where Alex Oti no do like say they see them. Alex Oti dey do like say no dey see them, and it's in the Kano State. Let them go there. Onyekwenu ụzọ gaa at least right now where e don dey hit them for umunoha no so I know say nobody don hear him mouth since. Now all of them will be going to their place. Then the army or police, whichever agency, go dey pick them up from there. This is what should be done. So those of you that are watching, you may know this Berima and this boss. Once again, I'm pleased now with the beg honor. With the beg honor. They release their full pictures, release their full videos. As they did now, so many people, all of them, they go hotels. They go club. Others money where they thief, you get where they go chopper. How else we go take catch them if you don't put their pictures? People will know where they come, they will go there, go catch them. I don't know whether they hear me, I know they see you now comment to what they do this Facebook. Are you people hearing me? No, only at the movie. This thing that they see, comment I see, and I see the likes. Can you people hear me? Are you hearing me clearly? Odogo Ataba, I know they just they watch. If you know the comment, all these criminals go they report this thing and they go come they stop to now just they sit down like that. Don't be leaving positive comment. Okay, Austin, I see you. Somandina. Victor Zuma Ofo. Yes, I get Katao. I beg anybody will know, and I say I go buy a St. Leaf in here. Now market go don't close before I go come up for here reach house now. I get serious Kata. Let me block one food. Please, if I miss any tozo, just let me know so I block the muto. So the army needs to show their faces. Okay? They need to show their faces. Let the people do the only thing that needs to be done has been done, which is to demystify those their camps. Demystify them. Now this kind of good news we need to hear. Security is for you and I. All right? Security is for you and I. Now me and you go do the job. If we sit down, nobody, and some people will say, oh, it's the job of the army. How army go do wetin they no know? Between you and army where they post for your place, who know your area pass? Who go know your area pass? Between you and policeman where they post, who go know your area pass? So all these ones where they see like this, if you know them, you know all the joints where they go, you know people where they keep money for them, where they do anything for them, let us know. Let us know. We'll pick all of them. We need to put a stop to all this nonsense because now me and you go there under danger. Now my brother, your brother, my sister, your sister, your relative, my relative, your friend, my friend. Now be their victims. You understand? The one where you spend today, you don't know whether now you go buy your friend tomorrow. Okay? Yes. There needs to be this network of civilians and you now. Some of you people, una they see me like say na una enemy. The army is one of the easiest people you can roll with. We know say some police don get bad name already, but you see army, you need to work closely with the military. Dito Plateau State, Dito Kwara State. Una know say I no wan dey talk about all those places yet. You know why? They never ready. Okay? They never ready. When dem ready to fix their place, they go tell themselves the truth. I don't know why e go be only Africa where natural resources dey be curse instead of blessing. But that's a story for another day. But you see, this one of the southeast, the natural resources where these people dey mine, in ordinary people wealth, na people sweat. You go see them, they sell papers. Person wey no get international passport, they offload spare parts container. Person wey never go Cotonou before, person wey no know where Benin Republic dey sell spare parts. Utobo wey never buy one Volkswagen before, person wey no know wetin be bill of lading, e dey offload spare parts. You see all these ones wey you dey see like this, they need to go after their business associates for Ladipo. You see Ladipo in Lagos, army or police or air force or navy una get better work to do there. Una get better work to do there. All these people wey dey sell these spare parts to, you go see some of them and say, oh, na Yahoo boy. No, nothing like Yahoo boy anywhere. Okay? They go say that no Yahoo anything anywhere. Na inside body wey dey sell, and motor inside body, both human being and vehicle na dey sell. Na why they no wan make this nonsense stop? Na why dem go dey use this Biafran nonsense dey deceive you? Sometimes I dey blame federal government. Walai. Because how we go dey for social media, you go still see people wey dey tell you say, oh, dem dey raise ESN fund. Which ESN? I don tell our people, why is it that this so-called Fulani wey una dey cry about, una no fit put cameras for una community see where dem dey pass? Why they no fit put camera everywhere? I've been calling, and anybody wey dey against the mounting of cameras in every community is a suspect. Put camera everywhere. If I dey pass, I wan make that camera dey see me. Yes, because if you have nothing to hide, why will you be afraid? Na so they just use lies. Use lies. Sell us our own destruction. Not be our own and their own destruction. Because me, from day one, I've been against this. From day one, I never fell for this. I never bought it for one day. They take hatred. Sell on our own destruction. And I hear say that one now, this one now, na Delta they operate from. They pursue them, they run go police state. Those of you from Delta State, those of you from Delta State, I don't know how well you people love on Senator Ned Nwoko, but please make sure he's not selling you a green gift. I don't know his other constituency project or whether he's using this unification and extra state as his own white elephant project. He don't know when they do us this thing. Oh. Once election don dey reach, people will never do anything for their people. If no be new state, na new senatorial zone, na new this and new that, they wan bring for you. One big thing wey they know say e no dey achievable. Okay? Wey dey idiot, you for wait na make I block you. Idiot, you dey ask me how many bandits. You for wait make I block you. Comment am here. All this so-called unification nonsense, I've told you it is Biafran by another name. Okay? It is Biafran by another name. Be mindful of the people they will be bringing to your place. They are now running from the southeast. Operation hold them. You don't over them. You hold them for neck like this now. So now that's how they're going to go. And then go use this nonsense unification rubbish. I don't know who you with and they fight. Where then they unify on. Me as an Igbo man, me and any other person no get problem. Oh. Me and any other person no get problem. Oh. So I don't know what thing they unify me with anybody for. Before you go to talk unity, there must be disunity now. So wetin come be my problem with people from Delta State wey we go dey need unity for? Where the problem dey? Who and who dey fight? Who and who dey quarrel? All these things na white elephant project of your politicians. Una dey hear am. Una dey hear am so. No, if you get who you with am dey quarrel, go settle am o. No dey let politicians dey use you dey settle their failures. Dey use you as cover for their failures. They don come now classified. The same people that were telling us that supporting President Muhammadu Buhari is bringing Fulani to come and take over our land. Oh, you now want to use Kwankwaso to come and steal our land and give to Fulani? Is that what you are planning? Una don see say these people know the rate on. Shebi una don see say dem believe they can turn your head anytime they want after they don use this thing destroy our land. Now imagine if there was a reprisal against Ndi Igbo with wetin they be dey do northerners that time. Na pregnant woman wey dey kpai with her children. Na these ones wey dey do local pedicure and manicure wey dey kpai. Na suya sellers wey dey kpai for Idato. Now where we go begin? Now the same people are now telling you about classified. Unu ga akọgbu onwe na akwana season na anyị na-echu. All these things na the things wey dey take sell their garbage to you. Now an Igbo don turn where person go dey go, you go dey panic. They no point you well, make you carry your legs up, move anyhow. You instantaneously become a target. You no go carry better vehicle. Any good Toyota product wey you carry, e be like you say you dey sign your death warrant. Because all these criminals go use am as excuse. Catch the person, buy am. Just for nothing. But we dey watch on that. Once again, kudos to the army for a job well done. We salute them for arresting this one. There are more. There are more of them. I wish the Interior Ministry will compile a name and give to the responsible agencies even the police, the TSS and everything. So they start a coordinated mass arrest of all these people and their supporters. I swear, I wish this will not be too difficult to solve. All our top military people, where are they? Nowhere to be found. Ruined our communities and our life. Look at this type of people, see them. Not these ones come turn Ebola into something else. They had it. They see the type of rags that ruin such a thriving region. Go to Ogun State, go and see factories. All those are factories that would have been sited in Imo, Anambra, all our states. Do you think they will leave workers in Ogun State and come and employ people from Onitsha to go and work in those places? No. You are taking wealth away. Why? Insecurity. They are talking about joblessness. Talking about joblessness, lack of jobs in the region. When there is no security, how will you get jobs? Why would there be jobs? Now imagine if it's just only 30 major factories in Imo State right now. Do you know how many people? Do you know how many people that will be employed? You see our youth everywhere. Everywhere, many from national Abuja and Igbo just there. Gafete Musena Baloto Aka and Igbo attaching go back on what you hardly see in the past. I can go to Ghana. West Africa, Niger, everywhere. Fear. All because of a bastard like Nnamdi Kanu. I love that. Man, one thing I love about nature is that it has a way of punishing evil people. The only way evil people will relax and have rest is if good men refuse to do anything. If good men chose to do nothing, that's the only time evil men will rejoice. As far as we are alive, never, it will never happen. You see, even all those their politicians that used to give them money, see how many of them are now changing their tone. No, we will still remember. We know all you people. We know all you people, and we will make sure that all of you pay for your atrocities. Like what this one wey dey catch. I mean, I beg go, if the only way una go take dey leave some of these people now, if they bring their top oga dem, because all these ones now we know people wey dey done. Yes. We know people where they done. If they no give up their gas and give up enough of their armory suppliers and all those things, buy them immediately. Buy them immediately. We don't want to hear anything like amnesty. We don't want to hear any story like amnesty. As for those that are saying, in the north, go and join them in the north. Go join them in the north. I've not met a single northerner that is in support of leaving these people. Now, because they have some wicked leaders, and those leaders na both military and civilian o. Why? Most of those boys dey mind things for them, all of them, and then they, all these dollars and euros wey dem dey carry, which people think say dey give them. So for that reason, we should condone such rubbish in our place. Don't there. Go there, go join them. And do you, some of these fools, I don't even know how people reason. So you are telling me that because they are living evil people in the north, for that we should live our own, like on our head no correct. Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourselves. Are you people even listening to yourselves? All these like smelly brains. Brain up now, like Nancy can say, fear. Whose benefit is it to leave people that are buying people? He go reach all of our family. Yes, he go reach all of our family. Any community that this, you see Okigwe people, shebi I tell on say una never see anything. Gentle and Co. You people think we don't know the game you Okigwe politicians are playing? Look at the type of votes they are manufacturing from Ako. How many people are remaining in Ako? How many people do you have in Ako now? Then go check the number of votes they are getting from there. It's because those people are working for those politicians. Now those politicians will be doing everything to spare the lives of those criminals. These are a bunch of nobodies that on a normal day they won't amount to anything in politics. But because of the insecurity, because of the disaster they've created there, they now control the votes there. Manufacture as many votes as they want. Now they will be preserving gentle and you, very stupid person. They told you, oh, they are bringing us back for a beach. And you don't know they are using it as a pipeline to Abuja here. Every federal representative from Okigwe needs to be lined up and shot. Yes. All of the politicians, any drink water hole to all of them. And you, Mwabanza, you are unaware that you are defending the interests of the same politicians who would not be anywhere near power if normalcy is restored. No, very foolish set of people. The same amnesty was also offered in the East. Of course, now. All these ones where they give amnesty for service, they don't see them. In Imo State alone, thousands of them have been given amnesty. Then you have those that are still in the bush buying people. One who will be there telling you, amnesty in the north. Anyways, make we dey watch on. So thank you so much, my people. Once again, Calamity. You don't jam your name now, you don't jam waiting past you. We'll be waiting for more of them. Kudos to the Nigerian army once again, and more of it. We need many of them to be rounded up and eliminated. We don't need any pity for any of them. Stay blessed, my people.